Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn the percentage composition of a solution. So here in this video the percentage of a solution can be expressed by four ways. First, the percentage by mass. Second, the percentage mass by volume. Third, the percentage volume by mass. And the last, the percentage volume by volume. Now we will discuss each of them one by one. First, the percentage by mass. So we can define the percentage by mass is the mass of solute per 100 grams of solution. And in percentage by mass we have two things, solute and solvent. In this case we will take the solute and solvent both in mass. And we have a formula for calculating the percentage by mass. So the formula is that the percentage mass by mass is equal to the mass of solute in gram divided by the mass of solution in gram multiplied by 100 times. For example, if we have dissolved 5 gram of salt in 95 gram of water, then the total mass of the solution is 100 gram. So we calculating as percentage mass by mass is equal to 5, that is the mass of solute, divided by 100, the mass of the solution. And this 100 is the mass of the solution. So we know that here the mass of solute is 5 gram plus the mass of solvent is 95 gram, and both the solvent and solute make the solutions. So the 100 grams of solution is formed. So we write here as 5 divided by 100 multiply 100 times, and this is equal to 5% mass by mass. Similarly, the next concentration is mass by volume. So we can define it as the mass of solute per 100 milligram of solution. Formula: the percentage mass by volume is equal to the mass of solute in gram divided by the volume of solution in milliliter multiplied by 100 times. For example, if we dissolve 10 gram of sugar in water to make 200 milliliter of solution, so we will write it as the percentage mass by volume is equal to 10 divided by 200 multiplied by 100, and that will be equal to 5% mass by volume. Similarly, the next concentration is volume by mass. So we can define it as the volume of solute per 100 grams of solution. In this case, we take the solute in volume while the solution in mass. So we write it as the percentage volume by mass is equal to volume of solute in milliliter divided by mass of solution in gram multiplied by 100. An example is that if we mix 10 milliliter of ethanol with enough water to make 200 gram of the solution, then we will write it as the percentage volume by mass is equal to 10. The volume 10 is the volume of the solute divided by 200 is the mass of solution multiplied by the 100. So we get 5% volume by mass. Similarly, the fourth concentration is volume by volume, and we can define it as the volume of solute per 100 milliliter of the solution. And in this case, we take both the solute and solution or solvent in volume or milliliter, and the formula is that the percentage volume by volume is equal to the volume of solute in milliliter divided by the volume of solution in milliliter multiply the 100. We take the example it as if we mix 10 milliliter of alcohol in 90 milliliter of water for a total of 100 milliliter of the solution, then we will get the percentage volume by volume as the 10 milliliter of solute, that is the alcohol, divided by 100 milliliter of the solution. This 100 is the total volume of the solute and solvent. Here in this case we take 10 milliliter of alcohol and 90 milliliter of water. Both the solute and solvent make the total volume is 100 milliliter. So we will get it as the 10 divided by 100 multiplied by 100, and that is equal to 10% volume by volume. So in this way we can determine the percentage composition of a solution. That's for all today the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.